ayaw. Ganyan na lang. Basta na. Andar. Ay, nako. Alright guys, uwi na tayo. Uwian na. Parang ganito ang buhay. Buhay. Yan, yan. Naglilinis yung tawag ko doon. Babae. Sakyan niya. Punong-puno. Yan. Okay na. Kaya tayo. Madulas ngayon ang daan. Guys, ganito lagi ang ginagawa natin araw-araw. Ang sasakyan na ito, ito lang isang linggo na, hindi pa rin naalis kasi nga sa truck na ito hindi pa natanggal. Ayan, dito yung guys, puno. Tumigas kasi yung ice, kaya mahirap matanggal. Ayan. Siya. Tapos ito. Lamig. Sobra. Negative 12. Hindi ko makapit yung ano ko. Hindi ko makapit yung gulong ko. Parang yung mahirap magkakilo guys. Hindi ko makapit yung gulong. Madulas masyado. Kailangan distansya. Kailangan natin ng distansya. Para mag-drive. Ingat sa pagmamaneho. Napakatulas. Walang bus, kaya naglalakad ito. Pasok pa lang yan. kahirapan. Ganito kahirap, ganitong ano, ganito ang panahon. Lalo na pag maliit ang sasakyan mo dito, wala, kahirapan. Kahirapan na talaga. Ito ako mga walang ano. Wala na, mahirap na magkita sa daan. Hirap po. Tapos to. Sila pa ang wiper na ito. Tigas yung ano, tigas yung ice. Sa ano, sa may lulusin. Tingnan natin ang weather.
Along the lakeshore, as well, and then headed towards Pickering as we speak. And then overnight tonight is when we finally taper it off. We'll see anywhere from 5 centimeters for Toronto to 10 out through Scarborough and Durham. By the time it tapers off, we'll wake up to sunshine and minus 13, wind chill minus 23. It's a colder day tomorrow with a few afternoon flurries, the high just minus 9, feeling like minus 17 at the warmest point of the day. But it's Wednesday morning. We are back into dangerous wind chill. Soon as we return to that extreme cold morning, the wind chill in the morning between minus 30 and minus 35. Wednesday afternoon is sunny and minus 13 degrees for the highs. Tonight down to a low of minus 13 degrees, wind chill minus 23. Right now we're sitting at minus 6 degrees out of Pearson with a wind chill of minus 12. Now the Dynamic Funds Market Minute to the Business Center. Here's Ari Rabinovich.
Ang lakas ng isno.
The big sell-off continues across North American markets as the TSX has declined nearly 2% and 363 points to 20,257, while oil has fallen over 2%, down $1.85 to $83.28 U.S. per barrel, while gold is on the rise, up nearly 0.5% and $7.70 to $1,841 the ounce. Canadian dollar, though, not getting much help. It's down 46/100ths of a cent, sitting at 79.03 cents U.S., while the Dow Jones falling just over 2% and 700 points and sitting at 33,560. S&P down 2% and 88 points to 4,309. Nasdaq down 2.5% and 350 points at 13,417. At the City News Business Center, I'm Ari Rabinovich. One resolution worth keeping this year: invest better with financial advice. Speak to a financial advisor today and visit dynamic.ca/advice. Discover the value of financial advice. Think all office chairs are the same? Then you haven't experienced an ergocentric chair. Ergocentric chairs are recommended by 94% of ergonomists. And ergocentric chairs are made for you right here in Ontario. To learn more, please visit ergocentric.com or visit our showroom and stores at the King Edward Hotel, the Square One Shopping Center, or our new larger store in the Yorkdale Shopping Center. Ergocentric, the science of sitting. Stay informed whenever and wherever you need it with City News. Watch nightly on City TV to go beyond the story. Listen for the latest up-to-the-minute breaking news, traffic, and weather at City News 680. Connect online at citynews.ca or with the City News Toronto app, and follow City News Toronto on social. For everything that matters to you and your city, watch, listen, connect. City News everywhere. Watch, listen, connect.
Jameson down to 1 lane. A full traffic report coming up at 2:51. A winter weather travel advisory is in effect for the city of Toronto. We're expecting between 5 and 10 centimeters of snow by tonight. The heaviest snowfall moving through Scarborough and Markham, and is headed for York and Durham regions next.
Dorado, magtatanggal na naman tayo ng snow sa bubong.
Here's Alex Cicero.
Well, Slajana, within a matter of days, we've had racist incidents at both the AHL and the ECHL. Police Captain John Tavares says the team talked about it today.
I think it's really important that to acknowledge, I think the recognition steps that have been taken over the last little while to improve eliminating racism in our game, but obviously we have a lot of work to do with learning and discussion and understanding and how we can continue to apply that and make a difference. Just continue to make our game better and that much more inclusive.
And we had lots of line juggling at practice with Marner and Matthews split up once again. Leafs host the Ducks on Wednesday. Meanwhile, the Vancouver Canucks have named former agent Emily Castonguay their new assistant GM. She becomes the first female to hold that position with the franchise. While Richmond Hill's Denis Shapovalov is in the way of Rafael Nadal trying to secure his 21st Grand Slam title, and the two will meet tonight down under with a spot in the Australian Open semis on the line. That gets going at about 10 o'clock. Shapo off to a great start this year. He is sitting 7-1 in singles play. And the Toronto Marlies have a road game tonight. They'll take on the Grand Rapids Griffins at 7. Sports at 15 and 45 past every hour or anytime at sportsnet.ca.
Get down to the Wowza Savings event at Food Basics until January 26th. Gain 700-gram chicken strips and 600-gram turkey burgers for just $4.67 each. Meaty deals. Save big every week at Food Basics. That's sale all weekend long.
What TikTok has been doing over the last year or two. So again, we can expect more of that. So what do you think? Will the indie fleas Tumblr aesthetic return? I mean, it's good if you didn't get rid of any of your clothes from the early 2000s. Maybe. Foo Fighters on Indie 88.